As you can see here, the dash gauges are not at zero. They're not set back to default. What happened was the driver got into the car, started it one evening, and immediately all the gauges were offset. As you can see, none of them are at zero except for possibly the gas gauge, which is a little below zero. But you can see where I started here and nothing happens. It doesn't fix the problem. I'm just testing it to see what happens. So what I did here is, after this video, the vendor said pull the dash and pull the power from the panel, let it set for 15 seconds to maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So instead of doing that, I pulled the negative terminal on the battery, let it set. I tried to start it without the battery to drain all the power down, and it immediately reset every single gauge back to zero. So this is something you might be able to try if you're having the same problem. Just pull the battery.